Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday, July 26, 2017. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. First, a check of the current signaling. Segregated witness is still signaling at 100% with 5 days, 9 hours, 0 minutes, and 36 seconds until lock-in. The price of Bitcoin was down slightly in the last 24 hours, with a last of 24.97. A low of 24.26 and a high of, say, about 27.65. Our top story today is that the SEC has issued a report saying that the DAO tokens were indeed a security. The SEC report was very clear that just because you use the word blockchain and just because you use new language doesn't mean that you are not a security. This story is still developing. We're going to find out what's happening with the other ICOs and the DAO. No doubt, but the SEC is awake. They're studying the effects of distributed ledger and other innovative technologies, and they were very clear that regardless of the words you use, the innovative technologies behind these virtual transactions does not exempt security offerings and trading platforms, the exchanges that the ICOs are traded on, from the regulatory framework designed to protect investors and the integrity of the markets. We've also got a breaking story from the New York Times that some Bitcoin backers are defecting to create a rival currency. And of course, the leading defector, as always these days, seems to be Mr. Roger Ver, who with Bitcoin.com has issued another one of their legendary public service announcements. Today's public service announcement actually came out yesterday, says that in the unlikely event activate, COM will immediately shift all company resources to supporting Bitcoin Cash exclusively. I think if you looked up the word trader in the dictionary, it says Benedict Arnold. We've also got news from Bitmain, who continues to support Bitcoin Cash, saying in their blog article, "We are closely observing the quote-unquote BTC movement," must be blind carbon copy, "and do not rule out the possibility of supporting both SegWit 2x and BCC," because you could just support both. Sachs says Bitcoin may reach a new high of $3,600 a coin. It's tough to tell after the Bitcoin Cash fork news. It's also based upon technical analysis, which we are allegedly starting wave 5 with a minimum target of 29.88 and a maximum target of 36.91. We've also heard that BTC-e, one of the oldest exchanges in the Bitcoin community, allegedly out of perhaps Bulgaria, maybe Russia. No one knows who runs it. No one knows who they are. And right now, no one knows where they are. According to they are offline with unexpected maintenance, but it's been about 24 hours and it's not looking good. Their engineers are looking into the issue in the data center and they hope to be back online soon. But as it is right now, 66,000 Bitcoins have been moving from cold storage and no one knows why. Bad news for BTC-e. As always, and even the Cointelegraph article says, don't keep your coins on exchanges. Keep your coins on your own wallet or hardware wallet. We're also joined by Jimmy Song for I'm not sure what. Jimmy, how's it going?
It's going great. Yes, a few things that I want to update on. Tomorrow begins a new Bitcoin difficulty adjustment period. So this time tomorrow, we should be in the adjustment period that will lock in segregated witness. So BIP 141 signaling will actually start to matter starting tomorrow. And 1,916 of 2016 blocks must signal, but it will be all 2016 because BIP 91 activation. So that's something to keep an eye on. So, we got the 2016 block window starts in about 125 blocks, which is roughly a day. By this time tomorrow, it'll happen. Some of this other stuff, obviously a lot of news regarding the SEC. Who knows if BTC-e has an exit scam right now? We don't know, but I will note that a lot more exchanges have announced that they will be supporting BCC. One interesting one that I will note is Bixen, who is claiming that they will simply sell off the user's BCC coins and credit the balance to their Bitcoins. So that's an interesting way to go about it. Other exchanges like Bithumb in Korea and some others in China are, and I've heard rumors of even Kraken making BCC available as a tradable coin. So some interesting developments, obviously, in that regard.
Incredibly despicable. And we're also joined by Tone Vase, who's live right back here. You can't really see him blow my microphone. Go ahead, Tone.
All right. Hey, guys. So here's the latest on the price. This was a huge week for news between the SEC, between the Bitcoin, the scam coin fork, and now with BTC-e. So there's reasons for the market to be nervous. Looking at the long-term chart that is supposed to kind of tune all of this smaller stuff out, we're in the middle of the week and the color is flipping again on my indicator, so that this position should be in cash. So the long-term play is, it's not bullish, it's not bearish, it's totally neutral, and there's plenty of time to figure it out. In order for this candle to stay green and give us a red 2 for a potential rally like we saw in April and May, we would need a close above 2,500 on the looking at the daily chart, and I'm actually going to pull up my program that almost disappeared, but now apparently is coming back. So I tweeted this out, and we did have this bullish pennant, and that was statistically supposed to pop the price of Bitcoin an additional $650. Some of them are still bullish, some of them are now bearish. There was a short play to be made, and I highlighted it right here in my Twitter. So go ahead and follow me on Twitter to get the latest updates on the development. There was a short play here, and if you did take on this short play, you're still in this short trade. I mostly blame this on BCC and the hard fork because it's confusing people, it's making people nervous, and some people think that they can print their own money by selling the BCC coin. It's not going to be that easy, and we have other podcasts on that. Looking at the live chart, we're having another low day. This is not a reversal candle yet. Let's see how this develops. There is pretty good support right here at around 2350, 2400. Let's hope we don't go below that. But Bitcoin is still doing okay. We're getting SegWit. It's about to get locked in. And we all should be happy about it. Give it back to you on that one, Thomas.
All right, Tone. Thanks for that report. And if anyone would like to check it out, we've got the San Francisco Bitcoin meetup from yesterday live on the World Crypto Network. We did a little panel on forking, had a couple of representatives of the Lightning Network there. You might want to check that out. But we're out of time for today. Just like to remind everyone to give us a like and a share, maybe put a comment down there. And as always, if you want to donate some Bitcoin, we've got an address right here. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back soon. Bye-bye.